Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'Skitchenette. I have here a mixture for my fried rice. Okay, my rice is here. This is parboiled rice. Now I'm going to mix this one with this mixture. First, you have to prepare your ingredients. This one is a yellow corn, sweet corn. Slice the bell pepper, red or green, then onions, sliced onions, garlic, and I added a little bit of parsley, and this is a sliced sausages. Okay, so first you have to heat your pan, put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Saute the garlic and onions, and then the parsley, and then add the sweet corn, mix all together, and then add the sliced sausages and the sliced bell pepper. Okay, so this is it, and then season it with black pepper. This one, black pepper. Garlic powder, this one, garlic powder. Paprika powder. If you want a little bit spicy, add a little bit of chili powder, a little bit. Then season it with beef powder, or you can use the chicken powder or Maggi. Then add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. So no need to add salt because the oyster sauce is already salty, and the sausages is salty, and the beef powder is already salty. So mix it together like this, and now we will add our rice. Okay, so we will add the rice here. We will mix it together. So this is our rice. So look at here. I also added this one with 2 pieces of beaten eggs. I mixed together also this one, a beaten eggs, but the eggs is cannot be seen now because it's already mixed. So you can see this one. Yeah, this is the eggs. So I mixed the eggs also here. First, I beat the eggs and I cook it together with these ingredients, so that it will be yummy. So now this is already our fried rice. Very yummy and healthy fried rice. It is very easy to prepare. Look at this, guys. So this is now the result of our fried rice. I'm using the parboiled rice, the yellow rice. You can use jasmine rice or the basmati rice, or any type of rice that you want to cook for your fried rice. And look at this. So you can serve this one just like this alone. It's already a full meal. Or you can match this one with fried chicken, beef steak, or fried fish. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this simple fried rice. Simple but yummy and easy to prepare. Just cook first your rice, and then prepare all your ingredients and saute everything in the pan with the cooking oil, and that's it. Bon appetit! Masarap yun, guys. Very yummy, healthy. So this is good for 3 serving, this one, okay? So if you eat only little bit, so this serving is good for 4 person. If you are eating only 1 cup of rice like this, so this is good for 4 person. Okay, pag medyo malakas ka kumain, so pwede mo nang ubusin yan. So if you love to eat more rice, so you can eat all alone this one. So mapapasarapan ka talaga nito, kasi marami siyang sahog. So optional, this one, this sausage is only optional. If you have anything that you want to mix up, you can mix with a sliced beef steak, or you can use fried chicken. Just slice the fried chicken and do it same as this. Okay guys, and you can also add this one, raisins, you know, raisins, and you can also add carrots, which is sliced very small cubes. So you can add the carrots, mixed vegetables, anything that you can add for this fried rice. So this is my fried rice prepared by Leytenia'Skitchenette. You can also add this one with the green peas, as long as the green peas is already ready to cook. And you can also add mushrooms. So just combine all the ingredients, soak all the ingredients with the mushrooms, with the carrots or green peas, and it would be very healthy and very yummy fried rice if you will add more ingredients of this fried rice. So no need to eat more meat. So this is enough, because there is already a sausage. But you can use alternative for the sausage. You can use beef steak, slice it into very fine, and you can also use fried chicken, slice it very thin, and also you can use a fried fish. Just remove the bones, and you can mix it into your fried rice. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next premiere. Bye bye, and thank you for supporting my channel. Ciao, of Vedesen. Maraming salamat. Buhot shukriya. Everesto puli. Dankishon. Terima kasih. Merci beaucoup. Shukran Jasilan for watching my premiere, Leytenia'Skitchenette. And I hope to see you again in my next premiere. Bye-bye. Ciao.